guys, I'm filling in for my dad today. Let's go ahead and open the box. What side do we open it up? Oh, there we go. Okay. Let's see what this side is. Okay. This is yellow, green, red. Sort of looks like a mini bass, baby bass, I think. Okay. Take a look at it. Okay, this one looks like the last one. It's red on the eye, blue, sort of blackish grayish, silver at the bottom, green a little. Okay, this one is blue, green, and white. Eyes are black. Okay, this one's green, dark green, red. Sort of looks like a lizard a little, or a crocodile. Okay, and we've got these guys, which is black, blue, sort of looks like a worm, because it is. Okay, and we've got these next, and these guys are like sort of blackish, orangish. I think it's a baby catfish without whiskers. I don't know what it is. Okay, and we got this white on the bottom, black eyes, black on the top, sort of all black. I think that's all. Or is it? What's this? Okay, let's turn that next page. This is, I don't know what this is for. What's this over here? Huh. Got some hooks, red and silver. What else is in here? We got a sticker. And what's this for? What? Oh, okay. Come on, open up. Okay, I think that's everything in the box. Like and subscribe to this video. Hit that notification bell too. See you guys next time. Bye.